this is a very good way to stabilize your Google Ads account performance. If you have a good AOV and a healthy ROAS and healthy margins, by optimizing your landing pages and generating higher AOV, usually it helps to have a better performing and more stabilized ad account.
Yes, and that's the only way that it can help you scale, because if you have a low AOV, like $20, $30 AOV, I have seen very few instances from stores to have succeeded with $20 and $30 AOV. I have seen them, but not with the traditional methods. It's not the traditional store, it's not the traditional ad that you see and other stuff, but there are very, very few instances that can succeed with a small AOV. If you want to scale, at least for Google Ads, you need an AOV of $50. If you can have anything above $80, that's really great. And above 110 and 120, it's amazing, because you have something really great. And you can afford to overpay to get that sale, because it's not very easy, at least for super competitive products and super competitive markets, to get one sale with $5. You will need $34, $35, $45 to get one sale. So the AOV, the margins, and how you can tie all those things together, it's the things that the basic and the minimum requirements that you need to make something successful. If you don't do those stuff, then it's no wonder that your dropshipping Shopify store it failed. It was bound to fail from the very start.
Yes, exactly. Which comes to a conclusion of the Avengers analogy, let's say. Okay, so your business is, let's say it's the Avengers, okay, from Marvel. Ads are only one superhero. So if you go to the battle with only one hero, Thanos will win, okay? But if you go with your product, which is a good product, with a good price, a website that helps you convert, a good offer, reviews, we mentioned earlier, okay? And customer support, which is really good for after the sale, usually, okay? You will defeat Thanos. You will defeat the new guy, not the new guy. Who is the new guy in the Marvel? The new villain. I think it's. I forgot his name.
The one that Downey Robert Jr. played.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Doom.
Yeah.
No, I think it's Doom. Dr. Doom. Yes. He's not a new character, but I forgot his name. Okay. So, if you assemble everything, you will get the win. You will get the sale, you will get the results you want, most probably at least.